everyone, I'm Amy from Living Mojo, and I'm kicking off my 30-day Mojo Detox diet tomorrow, and I'm very excited. Well, actually, it's not only a diet. We're also looking at ways and strategies and tools that you can detox your home, the environment around you, your skin, and even your mindset and emotions. So it's a holistic 30-day program to support you in living your healthiest, most vital, mojo-filled life. And so today I'm actually, starting the weaning process early, and I'm having a soup for lunch today. So I just thought I should share some of the things that I do. So whenever I make a soup, even though I've provided recipes for every breakfast, lunch and dinner, I do tend to make bigger portions because there'll be some meals that aren't right for you. They are mostly plant-based meals. So you may want to add a bit of meat for the family or just have something a bit different. So it's really good to make extra portions that you can then sort of put in your fridge to have at another time. Not only that, we're really busy. Us mums, we're juggling work and family and home and social activities. Don't get me started on post-COVID drop-offs to dance, soccer, all of those things. So it's really great to have a healthy meal that's ready on the go, and it's not packaged. It's something that you've lovingly made in your kitchen. So here you can see I've got a big batch of soup. I've got that in a glass container, and I'll share more of that inside the program. But it is important to store your food in a toxic-free container, as some of those plastics can leach BPA and other phthalates and other horrible, nasty chemicals and toxins into your food. And you don't want to do that because you've gone to all that trouble of making that wonderful, healthy soup. So this one here has some chickpeas in it, it has some sweet potato and some other great detoxifying herbs and veggies, and this soup will definitely be one of the recipes on the program. So I've started early with that, and I can't wait to have that today. But I'm also massive on flavour. I firmly believe that if you eat healthy, you don't have to sacrifice on taste and flavour. If anything, you can make it more flavoursome. And it is a mostly plant-based diet, only because that is the best diet that's been proven by science to actually detox and cleanse the body on a deep level. We have got a little bit of meat, but we want to keep that to a minimum because it is very hard to purchase meat these days that is guaranteed that it's chemical-free, hormone-free, grass-fed, all the things that you need. But even if it is all of those things, it takes a lot for your body to digest, and we want to give you digestive system a bit of a break so it can focus on cleansing the liver and the kidneys and the pancreas, the colon, the bowel, and that you're eliminating well, of course. So having a lot of fiber-rich food, including soups, is not only going to give that digestive system a lovely, nourishing rest, it's going to cleanse the system. Think of fiber like a little brush that gets rid of some of the debris and bacteria and even some of the viruses, but most importantly those toxins, getting it out of the system so that you've got more energy, so that you're sleeping well, and so that you're shifting some of those COVID kilos. So I also love to add seeds. I'm massively passionate about seeds, as anyone would know who've done my programs or worked with me, and especially when you've got hormones to balance as you're coming into that age or at any stage as a woman, seeds are fantastic. So this one's got a mixture of your sunflower, your pumpkin seeds, but this is also a superfood mix. It's called Pimp My Salad because it's got the sea vegetables in there as well, which are incredibly detoxifying for the body. Sprinkle some of those on, and you've got a really great texture to your soup as well, a bit of added crunch. And then I always love to add a dollop of something if it's available. And I love my pesto. This is Rose's pesto. I do make my own pesto in the program, and I will be doing that come tomorrow. But this is a really great backup, and Harris Farms has some really great, unprocessed dips and sauces that you can add to things. And then I've got my parsley. This is a macro organic parsley. Adding a bit of that gives it a really lovely texture as well. But parsley is also one of those really cleansing herbs, and so I absolutely recommend adding it to everything. That and coriander would be my top two. And I've actually also got some micro herbs here, just for a bit of prettiness. If you're having a few friends around, obviously very great for you, but you can, add a nice little purple flavor there too. So that just adds a little bit of sort of color to your dish. And then last but not least, mainly because I'm not on the detox yet, I've got this wonderful bread. It's come in this lovely toxic-free packaging. I've got this from a local health shop in Manly, and this one's sort of gluten-free. It's got a few seeds in it. It's only a couple of processes to make, and you just need a tiny amount of it. It's very filling, and it's really flavoursome and good for you. And once again, that gives you a good carb hit if you're needing a bit of energy in the day, as I do leading up to this detox tomorrow, getting the final prep ready. Then this is a great choice. So that's my lunch today. We're going to have many soups like this in the program, as well as casseroles and curries, stir fries, and they're all going to be very weight loss friendly, great for detoxifying the body, and with lots of nutrients and well balanced as well, and lots of flavour, of course, let's not forget that. But there's also going to be lots of other detox tools, strategies and tips for your home, your environment, your mindset and emotions. And we like to leave this program on getting you really in that state of mind, that state of self-love and self-care, so that you can then continue on what you've learnt during the program. The steps are quite easy to action as well. You'll have a few to do each day, a few to do each time we get in touch. And that ensures that it's actually feasible. And don't forget the support of a really beautiful, loving, like-minded group. And you've obviously got detox experts like myself. I'll be in there encouraging you and supporting you every step of the way.